I had a very strange problem with my television where when I use these plus and minus buttons, which would normally change the TV channel, whether I pressed the minus button or the plus button, it kept automatically going straight to radio channels. But it was a bit weird. I thought, why is it doing that? And I thought there was something wrong with either the TV or the remote control, but it wasn't. What it turns out is that I believe somebody had inadvertently touched this language button here at the bottom. See the bottom right hand corner there, the one that says LANG, language. So what I found is that when I pressed that language button on the TV, then it came up and says English here. Let's just do that again. So language, and you click OK on your remote control, and then this menu appeared here. And it turns out that what had happened is my TV, somebody had accidentally changed it to radio channels only. So that meant that when the plus and minus buttons were pressed, then it automatically would only select radio channels. So what I had to do was do what I just showed you. So I pressed the LANG button on the remote control, and I pressed OK, and I just went back again and I just changed it to all channels. And after that, the problem was sorted out. So if you ever have that problem, just remember to go to the language button on the bottom of your remote control, press on that, then the word English will appear on your screen, then just press OK, then go to that menu at the top of the screen, and if you see that radio channels are selected, just change the setting with your direction buttons here to all channels, and then your remote control should work as normal then, and just select the TV channels when you use the plus and minus buttons. So I hope you find that helpful.